This semester, I had the opportunity of working quite extensively with the Regent University Writing Lab tutors that they provide there at the university as a free resource to the students. I am currently getting my Master's of Divinity degree, and I should be finished by December of this year, 2019. However, I came across a class in which I was learning how to write essays in a way that I had never written before. And so with this being new to me and my style of writing, I found that I needed a little bit more support in order to do the best that I wanted to be able to do. Some of the things I needed to work on were how to craft a thesis that's concise for the different types of essays that we're required to write here at the university, and how to compile an essay in such a way that it's clear and concise and that the reader understands what I'm trying to say, and make sure that it gets my voice across as well. I found that the writing tutors at Regent were very, very helpful. I am super thankful for all the help that they provided me. I worked with them twice a week the whole semester to be able to improve my writing skills, and they improved tremendously over the semester. But not only did my grades improve for my essays, but also just my understanding of how to write better and more clearly and more understandable and valuable to the reader, and how to craft that thesis in such a way that it becomes the structure for the entire essay. So I finally caught the vision for writing, not just the mechanics or the checklist of how to do it. And so I really appreciate being able to finally see how to write better as a student at Regent and as a writer as I move forward from the university. So it has tremendously impacted my writing abilities. It's tremendously impacted my grade that semester, so I'm super thankful for the resource that it was to me as a student. The writing tutors were very kind and very understanding and helped me to learn and to think and to be able to see differently instead of just providing tools. There are lots of tools that they provide through the Writing Center, but they really work with me as a tutor to help me to learn and see, and so I really appreciate that. I would certainly highly, highly, highly recommend it to every student at Regent. I think we all have a long way to go in improving our writing abilities. And so just making sure you tap into that resource, even if you find that you may not need it for your grades, but just as a student, just to be a better writer, I highly recommend it for anyone that's a student at Regent to just experience how you can learn and improve to be a better student, and find out what resources are available to you so that your focus can be more on the content and the material that you're learning in your classes, and less of an uphill climb with just the writing mechanics to help you really learn what you need to learn, but also how to communicate clearly and effectively.